where the neighborhood wives, after a morning at the wet market, sit facing the breeze to trade snatches of gossip.
About leery shopkeepers, the local louds, like that fella who's always drilling his walls, gives me migraine.
And that mad woman always throws things from her window.
Aiyo.
With careful put-downs, they fashion boasts about stubborn sons, lazy daughters, who by some miracle or mistake always score well in class. When words falter, gestures take over. Pursed lips, rolling eyes, animated hands adorned by bangles of gold, jade, steel, string.
Stop. Aga, let's go now. Let's go.
And children orbit around them, laugh without diction. Their games of tag a reassurance that there has been no hothousing of who is unclean, unwashed, untouchable. When they break out into some kindergarten song, one almost believes in a generation cleansed of skin-deep suspicions and freed from the superstitions of the tongue. And old folks sit like sages, deploying chess pieces with ancient strategies. From a corner, a caged bird bursts with the song of its master's pride. And wrinkled women breathe through Tai Chi-tuned windpipes, the operatic melody of the air. All a wanton fantasy. Eyes reveal a meeting point for loners and loiterers, a sense of things reduced, conversations that trickle through brief noddings at lift landings. Teenage rhetoric scrawled in liquid paper on the stone table chessboard where the king used to sit. The grandiose house-selling dreams of residents compacted in anonymous letterboxes. As an afterthought, an old man pees under a public phone. A place to be avoided, this, how in its vastness it devours hours. Little wonder then that residents rush through void decks, back to the cramped comforts of home. As if in fear of what such open space might do to cozy minds.